Hi, this is Mark with ShotRock, and I'm going to show you how to use your Find Me, Follow Me feature in your new Star phone system. First thing you're going to need to do is log into the portal.star2star.com, and you're going to go to your individual phone settings, which this is what you most likely will pull up right here. You're going to find your extension that you're talking about. So if you have, maybe you have an app or an office phone or both, you'll need to make sure you find your office phone, whichever one you're wanting. Use the little pull bar to do that. Once you find your extension, click on the Find Me, Follow Me feature. When you get here, it's going to be disabled. So when you click on it, it will be enabled. You have three different choices. You have the Find Me, Follow Me immediately. So if you're going to be out of the office for a while, or if you want to send all your calls to somebody else for whatever reason, click on Find Me, Follow Me immediately. And any call that rings this extension, your extension number, will immediately go to whatever is located down here. So you can put in an area code and phone number. You can put in an extension of another person in your office, or you could put in your app that you have on your iPhone or Android. That's what this is right here. So if I save these settings, I can go back in now, and you'll see that's been enabled, and this is my current setup. Whenever you're ready to make the big change and save everything, be sure to click Save Changes to System. Take about 2 minutes to take effect. We also have another little type here. We have a sequential. This is one I don't use very often, but some people do. Best thing to do is kind of play with it, make sure it works good for you. The sequential will ring whatever device is here first. In this case, after 10 seconds, we'll default to the next number, which would be my app. And maybe I want it to go to another number. I could put in that other number I had in here earlier. Let's say it's my cell phone. If I save that, click the big save, I'm done. So down here, now is what it looks like this. It looks like Find Me, Follow Me, will ring my extension for 10 seconds, go to my app, and then go to my cell phone number. Now, understand this, when you use this feature, the calling party is going to hear a ringback tone for 10 seconds as it rings your main device, and then another 10 seconds you're going to hear it ring your app, and then another 10 seconds it's going to be ringing your cell phone number. All these 10 seconds add up, so the calling party is going to have to hang on while it does this. So the best thing to do is to, if you decide to use this, is to kind of play with it. Make sure you've got your timers down where you have, one, you have time to answer the call before it goes to a different device, and two, you don't want to make the calling party hang on forever while your phone, different devices ring. So I don't use sequential very often, but the Find Me All, I use it a lot. So on this one, it's going to ring any device that's defined here all at once. You can have up to 4 devices ring at one time. So for myself, I have it ring, my extension comes in. It's going to ring my extension, my app, and let's say an office number. What happens here is someone calls my direct dial number, my office phone rings, and my cell phone rings at the same time. I'm actually going to make this look like what I have it in my office. So I'm going to have none here. So I think most people, if you save that, this would be the most common setup where Find Me, Follow Me All rings your phone and an app at the same time. This is good for people that work kind of in the office, but then again, they're out doing sales calls, or they're technicians that are working for whatever reason, you're really mobile. This is a really good thing to have right here. So what happens here is anybody calls my direct dial number, it's going to ring my extension on my desk and also my iPhone app. We're going to save those changes, and remember, nothing takes place until you hit the big save right here. I'm going to hit the big save. What you're going to see now is, if you notice it when you walk in or look at it, you see Find Me, Follow Me, and you're going to find that my all is turned on and it's going to go to my app as well as my desk phone. All right. If you have any questions, you can contact us here at the help desk at helpdesk@shotrock.com. That's SHOTROK.com. Thanks.